So before I move forward from my function here, add to basket button pressed, I want to put a to-do here to say check if user is logged in or show login view. Okay, so this will be indication for us to remember what we are missing here. And now we can move on to our update basket. And we're going to write the code here. So we have this handy function that we have created, update, where is update basket in Firestore. And we're going to provide the basket to update. With values is going to be our with values here. And on completion, I'm going to just hit enter. Error will be my variable name. And here we are only going to check if there is an error and provide some information to our user. So I will say if error is not equals to nil. In this case, what we are going to do is show that there was no error. I'm sorry, when it's not equals to nil. So it was there was an error and we want to show an error to our user. Else there was no errors, we are just going to notify our user that everything went according to plan and our item was added to the basket. So here actually I can copy this and paste it here in our else statement. And in case of our error, I'm also going to paste it here, but the text is going to be error, and we're going to pass our error here. Localized description, so that our user can see what error was. And the indicator view is not going to be success, it's going to be JG progress AGT error view indicator. And again, we're going to show it in self view and it will take 2 seconds and then disappear. I'm also going to put a print for myself because this 2 seconds may not be enough to see what exact error was on a developer stage. So I'm going to say error updating basket, and we are going to save this error on a console. So we say error localized description. So with that we can access our console anytime and get the error. So let's run our application again. And this time, whenever I click our add item to basket button, we are not going to create a new basket. Instead, we are going to update the existing one. So right now, if I refresh, you will see that I still have one basket with only one item inside of it. So let's go to our code, and what we are going to do is to add a scooter to our basket. So I click plus button, you can see it was updated and now it has 2 items. And if I click one more time, it will add the same item again to our basket. So we will have 2 scooters in our basket, but there is no basket created, which is what we needed. So our function is working properly. It's just right now we don't have this safety feature that it's going to check if the user exists or no. We just have hard-coded the owner ID, which is okay for now. Once we register a user, we are going to replace this 1234 with a current user owner object ID.